Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, 29th January. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So first, let's start by analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames. So if you see the monthly time frame, now market is under control of sellers. So basically, whoever bought above the monthly open, that is 13,996, is already underwater in their investments right now. So on the monthly time frame, market is under control of sellers, and on the weekly time frame again, market is under control of sellers. And if you see the daily time frame, today we gapped down, and basically uh, today market was range bound basically, but for our technical purposes we would say that on the daily time frame it was slightly under control of buyers as it closed above its open. And if we see in terms of price structure, you will see that we have been making lower lows and lower highs. So technically, we are in a downtrend on the daily time frame. Based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 13,817 levels, we can trade towards 13,898 levels, 13,948 levels, and potentially 14,010 levels. And on the flip side, below 13,767 levels, we can trade towards 13,713, 13,663, and potentially 13,601 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 13,817 to 13,767. And one can refrain from making any trades in between the neutral price range. If we analyze our stock watch list for tomorrow, the stocks that we have chosen are Bharti Airtel, Cipla, IGL, and Pidilite Industries. So if we see Bharti Airtel on the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers right now as it is trading above its monthly open. And if we see the weekly time frame, here you will see that last week was an inside weekly candle which we have broken to the downside. So on the weekly time frame, it is under Airtel is under control of sellers, and straight away you can see there is conflict among monthly and the weekly time frame. And if we see the daily time frame, today was an inside candlestick. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 570 5.95 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 562.65 levels in Airtel, and in between the high low range will not be making any trade tomorrow. And our second stock is Cipla. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers as it is trading above its monthly open. Here you can see that. And on the weekly time frame, we are again under control of buyers as we are trading above the weekly open. And on the daily time frame, we have formed an inside candle. And if you remember that we were tracking this stock today as well, but it didn't break yesterday's high, so we did not establish any position in Cipla, and today it formed an inside candle again. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 848.95 levels. At that point of time, we would have full time frame continuity to the upside in Cipla. Our third stock is IGL. On the monthly time frame, here you can see it is under control of buyers as it is trading above its open. And on the weekly time frame, we have a situation in which it is basically trading below its weekly open, and in terms of weekly price structure, we are making lower lows and lower highs. And on the daily time frame, it is an inside candlestick. So tomorrow we'll look for buying opportunity above 536.85 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 527.2 levels, and in between the high low range we'll not be making any trade in IGL. And our final stock is Pidilite Industry. On the monthly time frame, it is now under control of sellers as it is trading below its monthly open. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of sellers as it is trading below its weekly open. And in terms of price structure, again weekly candles are making lower lows and lower highs, and on the daily time frame we consolidated today, and we formed an inside candlestick. So in Pidilite Industry, we'll look for selling opportunity below 1698.7 levels, and at that point of time we would have full time frame continuity to the downside with all the time frames coming under control of sellers if this inside candle on the daily time frame breaks to the downside tomorrow. I would like to summarize that tomorrow above 13,817 we can trade towards 13,898 levels, 13,948 and potentially 14,010 levels on the Nifty spot, and below 13,767 levels we can trade towards 13,713, 13,663 and potentially 13,601 levels. And our stock watch list for tomorrow comprises of inside candlesticks on the daily time frame: Bharti Airtel, Pidilite Industries, Cipla and IGL. Before ending this video, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel.